Good morning! Ayan, today pumunta kami. We went to Tulip Town sa Skagit Valley. Ayan, as you can see, ang daming iba't ibang kulay ng mga tulips. Napakaganda ng view. Para siyang painting with all these backgrounds of tractors and red barns. However, the weather is a little gloomy. On and off ang sun. Ayan, ito may mga pink, mixture of yellow, orange, and red. And as I mentioned earlier, you'll see the red barn over there in the background. Super ganda. So sa Washington State to, hopefully you guys can check